Alright, so I've taken apart the ND2 oil filter housing and Mishimoto plates. Here's that double male adapter snugged down to the inside of the ND2 oil filter housing. And here's that center bolt adapter, stainless steel center bolt adapter. Female threads on the ends are there and male on this side. So as I thread this on, this double male adapter, it stops, and it stops. It's a hard stop, and it hits up against, it gets completely threaded onto this double male adapter that sits inside the oil filter housing. The problem is that this distance from this hex side all the way to here that's too long. That portion of the bolt is too long. That distance is greater than the stack distance of the spacer plate and the thermostatic plate, and it's not enough to even compress these rubber gaskets to create any seal, and that's the real problem. I personally have talked to the Mishimoto people, and they say they've known about this problem since July of 2022, and so far they haven't done anything about it. And if I were to guess, take an estimated guess, that probably 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 shorter would make this bolt ideal. I'm not an engineer and I'm not a machinist, and I would be scared to try to shorten something with internal threads. So I honestly don't know what to do about this except try to use it on the ND1. Anyway, that's been the problem, and Mishimoto to date, as of March 2023, has not done anything about it. I talked to Mishimoto 3 days ago, and they haven't done anything about solving this problem.